Okay, good day children. So our subject for today is English, and our lesson is all about sounds around. So this is our objectives. After the discussion, you are expecting to classify sounds heard and categorize sounds heard through animal sounds or mechanical objects and musical. How do you go to school? Paano daw kayo pumapasok sa school? Do you walk to school only? Naglalakad lang ba kayo? Or sumasakay papunta sa school? What kinds of transportation do you take? Is it through motorcycle? Sumasakay ba kayo sa bus? Or is it through jeep? Or through car? Tricycle? Or is it through bike? So, lahat ng ito ay tinatawag nating transportation. These are some examples of we use to go to anywhere. Okay? Ito yung mga sinasakyan natin kung saan tayo pumupunta. Okay, so what is this? What kind of transportation is this? Is this a car? Is this a bike? Or is this a bus? Let's see. Okay, so this is a bus. How about this one? Is this a car? Is this a bike? Or is this a bus? Okay, so this is a car. Mayroon ba kayo nakikita dyan na bike? Okay, so wala. How about this one? What is this? Anong uri ng sasakyang ito? How about this one? Is it bicycle, jeep, or tricycle? Asan dyan ang bike or bicycle? Okay. And yan ay jeep. Mayroon ba kayo nakikitang tricycle? Wala. Ano naman ito? At ito. Sila ba ay madalas natin ginagamit papunta sa school? May car ba sa larawan? Or tricycle? May nakikita ba kayong motorcycle? Okay, walang car. Yan naman ay tricycle at motorcycle. Okay, so today we are going to read a story entitled Off to School by Mirna J. Hippolito. What is the title? Off to School. It was 7 o'clock in the morning. Alas 7 daw ng umaga, Lito's service vehicle arrived. Dumating na yung service ni Lito. Vroom, 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 sounded the tricycle. Vroom, vroom, ang tunog ng tricycle. Lito happily boarded the tricycle to school. So masaya nang sumakay si Lito sa tricycle papunta sa school. Where was Lito going? Saan daw pupunta si Lito? Very good. Sa school o sa paaralan. When they reached the junction, the tricycle could not go fast like before. So, nung nakarating na raw sila sa junction, hindi na kagaya dati na mabilis. I am sorry, Lito. There's a traffic jam again. Ipagpaumanhin mo, Lito, dahil may mahabang traffic na naman. We can't get ahead of the cars and jeeps, Kuya Ben said. Yes, there are trucks, vans, and taxis too. At sinabi naman ni Lito, oo nga po, mayroong mga trucks, vans, at mga taxi rin. Ang sabi ni Lito. Why can't Lito's tricycle get ahead of the cars and jeeps? Bakit daw hindi nila kayang lampasan o unahan ang mga kotse o mga jeeps? What other transportations were there? So ano pa daw yung mga iba pang transportasyon na nandoon sa daan? There the signal light just turned green. Now we can go. Kuya Ben happily drove to school. Ngayon, makakaalis na tayo. Ang sabi ni Kuya Ben na masaya, nag-drive patungong paaralan. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Tot, tot, tot. Hey! Beep, 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 brrr. These sounds can be heard everywhere. Ang mga tunog na daw yan ay naririnig kung saan-saan. Everybody was in a hurry to go. So, ang lahat daw ay nagmamadaling umalis. Screech! Here we are, Lito. Kuya Ben said. Nandito na tayo, Lito. Ang sabi ni Ben. Lito got off the tricycle. Thank you, Kuya Ben. See you this noon. And Lito happily walked to his classroom. What sounds were heard? Where was Lito going? Saan daw pupunta si Lito? Who is Kuya Ben? Sino daw si Kuya Ben? How did Lito get to school? Paano daw pumupunta si Lito sa kanyang paaralan? What sounds were heard by Lito on his way to school? Ano daw yung mga tunog na narinig ni Lito papunta sa school? Do you think Lito arrived in school on time? Sa tingin nyo ba nakarating si Lito sa kanyang paaralan sa tamang oras? How did Lito feel that day? Ano ang nararamdaman ni Lito sa araw na yon? Will Lito see Kuya Ben again? Makikita ba uli si Lito at si Kuya Ben? Okay. So, classify, categorize the pictures. Following sounds they make as to the following. Is it animal, machine, object, musical instrument, nature, or speech? Okay, so what is this? Okay, so this is a clock. Is it a musical instrument? Is it the sound of this thing is from nature? Or the sound of this is from an object? Okay, so the answer is object. Next, how about the number 2, dog? So, if there is something barking, mayroong tumatahol, ang tunog na yon ay, is it from animal, machine, or is it from an object? The answer is animal. And this one is guitar. Okay, so is this a musical instrument? Is it from nature or is it a speech? Okay, so the sound of this thing is from a musical instrument. Is it from a nature or is it a speech? The answer is musical instrument. How about this one? They are talking to each other. Nag-uusap ang dalawang bata. The sounds is from nature, a speech, or an object. The answer is a speech. Came from a speech. And the sound of this kind of transportation, is it animal? Is it the sound is from a machine or it is an object? And the answer is machine. Look at the pictures. Write S in the box if it is sounds soft. Write L in the box if it is sounds loud. Soft. Kung mahina lang, isulat ang S. Kung yung tunog ay mahina, hindi masakit sa tenga. Just write L if the sounds ay malakas or masakit sa tenga. So how about this one? Tunog ng B. Okay. L or S, loud or soft. Okay, next. Nagbubulong. Whispering. Ito ba ay masakit sa tenga? Is it loud or soft? And this one, thunder. The sounds of thunder or kulog. Is it loud or soft? And sumisigaw, nagbubulyaw. Is this soft or this is loud? And kindly get a paper. We are going to classify or categorize the pictures and their sounds as to loud or soft by write loud, or soft on the blanks. Clock, the tick-tock of the clock, the sounds of thunder, the bark of a dog, and the sound of the wind. And for your assignment, write down the sounds you heard from your surroundings. Check if it is loud or soft. You are going to write down 5 sounds around you and check if it is loud or soft. Okay, thank you, children. And always remember this: study hard, do good, and the good life will follow. Thank you.